Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma sikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa.
Criminality, intimidation, incitement to violence, the destruction of property, and any attempt to undermine public safety will not be tolerated.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi uFiroz Khachalia uxwayise ngokuthi udlame kanye nokucekelwa phansi kwengqalasizinda ngeke kubekezelelwe ngesikhathi sembhikisho yokukhala ngabo kufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
We are disappointed with the extent in which the Malawi government is responding to this problem.
Kutheleke amabhasi azothutha abantu baseMalawi abashiya emakhaya eMgungundlovu bekhala ngokungaphephi kanti ngesikhathi esifanayo ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela uLeon Schreiber uthe sekuthuthwe abayinkulungwane eziyikhombisa eThekwini.
She cannot leave this to the impeachment committee. She is the representative of Parliament in all legal matters, and it creates the impression that the Speaker puts the ANC above Parliament.
Usihlalo wekomidi lasephalamende eliphenya ngokuxoshwa kukaMengameli wezwe uMakashule Ghana usefake amaphepha okuphikisa isicelo sikaMengameli esiphuthumayo esihlose ukuvimba umsebenzi waleli komidi. iMKP nayo seyenze okufanayo. iBafana Bafana isalelwe ithuba elilodwa lokuqopha umlando ngokudlulela esigabeni esilandelayo sendebe yomhlaba emidlalweni wayo neSouth Korea ngoLwesine. Sikubingelele sikwamukele mbukele indaba zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa ozethulela unoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali hlabangani lemhlophe qwa uza kwethu ositolikela ngolimi lwezimpawu uFortune Madlala. Ake sibheke ukuthi yiziphi esikuphathele zona kusihlwa. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi uFiroz Khachalia uxwayise ngokuthi udlame kanye nokucekelwa phansi kwengqalasizinda ngeke kubekezelelwe ngesikhathi sembhikisho yokukhala ngabo kufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Njengoba ususondela umnqamlajuqu womhla zingama-30 kwephezulu, uhulumeni uthi usukulungele ukubhekana nembhikisho engase iqale mayelana nokugcwala kwabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
There will be daily operational assessments and continuous monitoring of the security environment to ensure that our deployment remains responsive to emerging risks.
Iziphathimandla zithi udlame ukwesabisa kanye nokulimaza impahla ngeke kubekezelelwe. Kusenjalo abakwasidlodlo bathi bakulungele ukubhekana nesimo.
Everyone has the right to protest peacefully and within the confines of the law. However, criminality, intimidation, incitement to violence, the destruction of property, and any attempt to undermine public safety will not be tolerated.
We are monitoring the situation on a daily basis and remain in close contact with all relevant stakeholders. The South African Police Service fully recognizes and respects the constitutional rights of every person to assemble, demonstrate, and express themselves peacefully. Our expectations is that those participating in these marches or demonstrations will do so within the confines of the law.
Iziphathimandla ziphinde zixwayisa ngokuphathwa kwezikhali eziyingozi embhekishweni ngelithi izephulamthetho ziyoyikhotha imbenge yomile.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe selifake amaphepha enkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ngenhloso yokuphikisa isicelo esifakwe nguMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokuba kumiswe ukusebenza kwekomidi elisungulelwe ukuba lilandele udaba lweplazi lakhe iPhalaphala. Kusenjalo usomlomo wePhalamende uThoko Didiza uchaze mayelana nokuthi kungani ngasiphikisanga isicelo sikaRamaphosa.
I have filed on behalf of the impeachment committee an affidavit opposing the urgent application by President Ramaphosa to interdict the work of the committee.
Komiti elisungulelwe ukucubungula ngenqubo yokuchithwa kaMengameli wezwe esikhundleni kusukela udabeni lweplazi iPhalaphala uqinisekise ukuthi usewafakile amaphepha aphikisa isicelo esifakwe enkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape sokufuna kumiswe ukusebenza kwekomiti. Ngakolunye uhlangothi usomlomo wePhalamende uThoko Didiza uthi imithetho yasishamthetho engamvumela ukuba aqambukele emsebenzini wekomiti. Usho lokhu ngenkathi echaza ukuthi kungane ngasiphikisanga isicelo sikaMengameli.
The impeachment committee chairperson working with the committee, they've agreed to oppose. And the speaker has listened to what they are saying, reflected on it, but also noting that the rules of parliament does not allow the speaker to interfere on the work of the committee.
I-Democratic Alliance ithi ikhathazekile ngesinqumo sikaSomlomo sokungaphikisi isicelo sikaMengameli.
She can this to the impeachment committee. She is the representative of Parliament in all legal matters, and it creates the impression that the Speaker puts the ANC above Parliament.
Udaba lwesicelo sikaMengameli wezwe luzolalelwa maphakathi nenyanga ezayo.
Inkantolo yemantshi yaseGoli izwe ngeinsolo ezishaqisayo zokusabiswa kofakazi ngesikhathi kuqhubeka isicelo sebhayili sikasomabhizinisi waseNorthwest uBrown Mokgotsi. UMokgotsi ufake isicelo sebhayili esisha ekhala ngokuthi ukugqunywa kwakhe esitokisini kuphazamisa amalungiselelo einhlelo zokuqulwa kwecala abhekene nalo.
So udalule ukuthi ngemumva kokuthi uMokgotsi enqatshelwe ibhayili ngasekuqaleni kwalenyanga kusolala ukuthi wazama ukusabisa omunye womakhelwane bakhe uThandiwe Senofane ukuze aguqule isitatimende sakhe emaphoyiseni. Lokho kuqukethwe encwadini efungelwe umphenyi wecala.
She was told by Dorothy Lekhwaba that she must give another statement stating that house number is the same as Dorothy Lekhwaba.
Ummeli wommangalelwa ukuphikele lokho athi kungumsebenzi wombuso ukuphikisa isicelo sebhayili uma kufanele.
If according to the statement of Mrs. Senokwane, whatever her concern is meets the requirements legally of what an intimidation is. The state then says that a telephone was handed over to Mrs. Senokwane and somebody said sizokhuluma.
Kube nempikiswano phakathi kommeli kaMokgotsi nomshushisi ngemininingwane yekheli eliqondile likaMokgotsi.
Your Worship, when we look at this statement, the name of the applicant is not there.
Now what we then see is that the submission that was made by the investigating officer in the initial bail application that the applicant's address does not exist, it's untrue.
Icala lihlehliselwe umsombuluko ozayo.
Isikhulu esiphezulu senkampani iMedicare 24 uMichael van Wyk obebhekwe ngabovu Khomishana kaMadlanga akafikanga ngenxa yokuthi ugule isigubhukane. Noma kunjalo ke mbukeli ikhomishana iqhubekile nokucubungula ngengxoxo zemiyalezo yeWhatsApp okwakwenzeka phakathi kwakhe noVusumuzi Cat Matlala.
Isithangami sekhomishana sitshelwe ukuthi uVan Wyk uye wahlaselwa ukwethuka kakhulu kwaphoqa ukuthi abone udokotela obesehlinzeka ikhomishana ngencwadi efakazela ngokubambeka kwakhe. Ungafiki phambi kwesithangami akuzivimbanga nhlobo ukuthi sibhekisise ngeminye imfanekiso eqoshiwe lapho uCat Matlala ayimthumelela khona izithombe zezidakamizwa zohlobo lwecocaine nokushiya isithombe kukhomishana sokuthi ngenzeka ukuthi okunye kubahlanganisile ukushushumbisa ngezidakamizwa.
The chats reflect that it was sent from Mr. Matlala to Mr. van Wyk at 10:25 on the 6th of April. At 10:26, Mr. Matlala sent Mr. van Wyk a message saying, "Get me a good price."
Isithangami sekhomishana sedlulele nasodabeni lokuxhumana kukaVan Wyk noJulius Mkhwanazi wamaphoyisa omkhandlu waseGrulini osamisiwe esikhundleni. Kumfanekiso wevideo kubonakala uVan Wyk ephethe izishaqane zemali sakugabisela uMkhwanazi njengoba uVan Wyk wayefuna ukuhlomula ngokuthi izimoto zakhe zibe namalamba agunyaziwe njengezomkhandlu.
Yes, I hope you have a warm day like we have here. You know, it's warm. This fan of mine's not working so lekker. I don't know if it's because it's hard. I'm not sure what it's doing. Anyway, I have another one here. Let's put this one here and try this one. Oh, it's also hard.
We'll push tomorrow, well motivated. And how we understand those messages is he will push to get the blue lights sorted out tomorrow, and Mr. van Wyk has motivated his case very well with the video.
ikhomishana iyaqhubeka kusasa.
Mbukeli sithatha iqu ey'tolo kanti siyabuya ke nezinye indaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu. Mbukeli asiphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena sikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ngiyakwethembisa uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Kutheleke amabhasi azothutha abantu baseMalawi abashiye emakhaya eMgungundlovu bekhala ngokuthi abaphephile. Kanti ke ngesikhathi esifanayo ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela uLeon Schreiber uthe sekuthuthwe abangaphezulu kweyinkulungwane eziyikhombisa eThekwini.
Uhulumeni waseMalawi usehlinzeke ngamabhasi amabili eMgungundlovu ngenhloso yokulekelela labo abafuna ukubuyela kwela kubo. Uqinisekiswe ukuthi kungena abesifazane kuqala kulamabhasi abesilisa besale ngemuva njengoba kusalindeleke ukuba kuhlinzekwe ngamanye amabhasi.
I think for us it's a new development here. It started last week Saturday in Pietermaritzburg as we were busy with working in the Durban area. We then also received reports that we have a similar situation erupting here in Pietermaritzburg. So it was on Saturday last week that we had a very small number that gathered here at this premises.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngesibalo samabhasi ahlinzekwe nguhulumeni waseMalawi.
We are disappointed with the extent in which the Malawi government is responding to this problem. They are not providing enough transport. Government, they should have done more to rescue their nationals who are here.
Kusenjalo umphathi wehhovisi lomnyango wezasekhaya KwaZulu-Natal uthi selivaliwe ihholo laseShewde eThekwini kwathi inkulungwane zabaseMalawi abangenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli zahanjiswa endaweni entsha njengoba kuqhubeka uhlelo lokuba zihlonzwe ngaphambi kokuba ibuyiselwe ezweni lazo. Bangaphezulu kweyinkulungwane eziyisikhombisa abaseMalawi sebebuyisele kwela kubo kanti abayizinkulungwane eziyisishiyagalombili abasahlonzwa.
Ikhomishana yezokhetho eyimele ithi ukuphuma kwabantu ngobuningi beyobhalisela ukuvota ngempela sonto esiphuma kuyo kusho ukuthi abantu bakuleli bayibophezele kubambeni iqhaza okhethweni. Kubhalise abantu abangu 2.9 million nokuyisibalo ke esiphezulu uma beqhathaniswa nokubhalisa okwedlule kohulumeni bendawo okwaba u1.7 million ngo2021.
Konke kuhambe kahle ngohlelo njengoba ikhomishana yezokhetho iIEC iphotho lokubhalisela ukuvota ekuthatha izinsuku ezimbili ngempela sonto esiphuma kuyo.
Over the 2 days of registrations, the commission recorded 2.9 million registration transactions. This is an improvement from the 1.7 million transactions recorded during the voter registration weekend for the comparable election in 2021.
Kulabo ke abangakwazanga ukubhalisa basazokuba nelinye ke ithuba lokubhalisa mhla lulunye namhla zimbili enyangeni uNcwaba.
This additional weekend will provide additional opportunities for citizens to register and to update their details.
Uqinisekisa ukuthi kubalula kubavoti abantu bakuleli bazokwazi ukubhalisa ukulungisa iminingwane kanye nokuqinisekisa ukubhalisa kwabo ngale kokukhokhela idatha. Ikhomishana izwakalise ukugculiseka indlela intsha ebiphume ngayo iyobhalisela ukuvota ngempela sonto.
Young people in the age cohort 16 to 29 account for 785,000 of total registration activity, which represents 27% of the 2.9 million transactions recorded. 59% of this are female, while 41% are male.
Undunankulu wase-United Kingdom uKeir Starmer usesulile esikhundleni ngemva kweminyaka ekulesi sikhundla nokumenza ke umholi wase-UK wesithupha eminyakeni eyishumi.
This street 2 years ago was the proudest moment of my life. A new Labour government the first in 14 years.
Ustama ozoshenxa esikhundleni ube nesithangami nabezindaba ngaphandle kwase Downing Street enhlokodolobha iLondon nalapho ibheke khona ibanga eselihanjwe yizwe lase United Kingdom seloku akhethwa njengonduna nkulu.
6 years ago, I inherited a Labour Party that was politically, financially and morally bankrupt. I was told time and time again that my party was finished, that we were consigned to history, that a majority at the general election, let alone a landslide majority, was impossible.
Ubalule okunye kwezinto ezuzwe yiLabour Party ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe.
But we proved those people wrong because we changed our party, ripping out the poison of anti-Semitism, restoring trust on the economy, defence and national security, and becoming a party that once again stood proudly with, not against, our national flag.
Njengoba eseshiya esikhundleni, abanye abaholi baleli qembu sebeqalile ukuveza intshisekelo yokulihola.
Lihlahliselwe umhlazi ngama-24 kuNcwaba icala libhekene nomculi nophinde abe ngumethuli wenhlelo kuthelevishini uMulimo Ma-Arohanye owaziwa ngelikaJubjub.
Ummeli kaMulimo Ma-Arohanye Advocate Henry Motsime utshele abezindaba ngaphandle kwenkantolo eMantshi Germiston ukuthi ukubamangazile ukwengezwa kwecala lokuthi uThumbe athandana naye phezulu lecala athweselwe lokuqhumisa isibhamu nalo kuyicala elingenasisindo ngoba kutholakala ngasibhamu endlini kaJubjub.
Indeed, I can confirm that he will be appearing on the 24th of August on the charges that have now been reduced. Which is also a surprise to us that he was initially said to have kidnapped someone, and there's no charge of kidnapping and there's no firearm actually. This was all blown out of proportion, but we'll see when the trial starts. It's a bit of a concern for us because when it initially started, we were told that it was kidnapping and pointing a firearm. Now suddenly, because he now gave them an explanation which they now understood, they're now changing the charges.
Ngesikhathi uJubjub ebuzwa ukuthi engaziphendulela ethini ngamacala athweswe wona, uphendule ngelithi uNkulunkulu owaziyo futhi nguye ozomphendulela.
I'm just shocked at the allegations that have come saying that I kidnapped my girlfriend dating an Uber driver. In all cases, anything related to me, it's always God first anyway. Before I step in the room, it's always God. So if anybody's trying to put things together, maybe, formulate something of some case or whatever, then it's fine.
uJubjub usasengaphandle ngebhail ngaphansi kwembandela ethile kanti icala lizoqulwa ngomhlazi ngama-24 kuNcwaba mase kuphothulwe uphenyo.
Mangabeke singena kwezemidlalo umbukeli Bafana isalelwe ithuba elilodwa lokuqopha umlando ngokudlulela esigabeni esilandelayo sendebe yomhlaba uma nje inganqoba umdlalo wayo neSouth Korea ngolwesine. Ukuzwa kwabanzi ngalolu daba ake sixhumane ebukhoma nomethuli wezemidlalo eSABC uMawande Matheza nonkanise khona le eMexico. Mawande asikubingelele sikamkele indabeni zakusihlwa. Hey, ahamba kanjani amalungiselelo Bafana ngaphambi komdlalo omkhulu kangaka ngolwesine?
Student bulise nakubabukeli emakhaya silapha ngaphandle kwehotel apho iqela leBafana lihlala khona apha ePachuca kwimizuzu embalwa ezayo eliqela lizobhabhela eMonterrey apho lizawugqibezela amalungiselelo alo ngaphambi koba badlale neSouth Korea kule veki ezayo. Nansi nje ibhasi uyibona emva kwami ilindele usa abadlali kwisikhululo senqwelo moya. iBafana izodlala umdlalo walo wesithathu kwindebe yehlabathi xa ijongene neSouth Korea ngolwesine khona eMonterrey. Lona ke izaba ngumdlalo omkhulu kakhulu ngoba eliqela leBafana lizawuba nethuba loba liqela lokuqala laseMzantsi Afrika ukufikelela kumjikelo wesibini wale tumente. Dukunye nentatheli yeSABC yezemidlalo uSifiso Ramara manthatheli thuba ndithethe naye kancinci. Butsifiso, ukhe walibona eliqela liziqeqesha apha ngempela veki ngolwesihlanu na izolo ngecawa. Ingaba umoya phakathi kwabadlali unjani?
Ndibulise kuwe Mawande, ndibulise futhi nakubabukeli emakhaya. Yeah, masibabona from a distance kubonakala ngathi abafana umoya uright. Siyazi ukuthi sinenkinga saba abantu beindaba abaphuma eSouth Africa bavalile lana, asinalo ithuba lokuthi mhlawumbe sikhulumisane nabadlali sizwe ukuthi banjani noma i-technical staff, kodwa siyathemba ukuthi bazosebenza kahle kulomdlalo olandelayo njengoba ushilo ukuthi i-draw will not be enough, into edingekayo kulomdlalo olandelayo ukuthi baphumelele.
Masithethe kacinci ngalomdlalo ngolwesine, iBafana ayenza kakuhle kwemidlalo emikhulu, ndicinga ngaAFCON la mdlalo neMorocco kwiround of 16. Yintoni ekuzakufuneka bayenze ngcono kweli tyelo uqinisekisa bazawuphumelela?
Engakusho ukuthi iBafana ikhono banalo Mawande. Masingakhumbula 2023 ku tournament ye-Africa Cup of Nations balahlekelwa umdlalo wokuqala against Mali, kodwa emva kwalokho bakwazi ukubuya ngamandla up until bafikelela kuma semi-final la baluze khona against Nigeria. So ikhona lento ukuthi iBafana they can rise to the occasion. Sithemba nokuthi na this time bazawenza kanjalo. Siyakhumbula ukuthi umdlalo wokuqala azange basebenze kahle against Mexico, kodwa against Czech Republic emdlalweni wesibili weGroup A baye bazibonakalisa ukuthi banalo ukhono. Sithemba ukuthi Bafana izoqala umdlalo wesithathu olandelayo ngendlela ebaqede umdlalo wesibili neCzech Republic ngakhona, ngoba siyazi ukuthi ku second half iBafana idlale kahle kakhulu emva kokuthi umqeqeshi uHugo Broos ayenze lawo ma changes awayenzile in the second half.
Abalandeli bebhola ekhaya eMzantsi Afrika bangaba nalo ithemba ba eliqela liza kwenza into zange yenzeke before kwiBafana iphumelele kumjikelo wesibini.
Abalandeli nabathandi beBafana kwamele babe nethemba, akumelanga silahle ithemba Mawande. iBafana they've got what it takes ukuthi bashaye leqembu leSouth Korea baqhubekeke bafikelele kula stage 2 yendebe yomhlaba.
Ndiyabulela ngoluvo lwakho Butsifiso. Khumbula ke mbukeli ekhaya kuba iBafana izawudlala neSouth Korea ngentsimbi yesithathu ngolwesine ekseni. Ndukumawande Matheza wendaba zeSABC ePachuca eMexico.
Sibonga kakhulu umbukelo bekumawande Matheza. Cha impela bakhuluma ngethemba, hayi ithemba sinalo impela, ithemba into esinayo. Sekukubo nje abafana ukuthi basijabulise phela mase kufike uLwesini. Asithi ke shu 8 lo masibuya sibe sikuphatheleke umhlahlo wesizimo sezulu nesangoma umkhushulu wabo kaMsimanga.
Mbukela ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba sesisho sithi aqhubela amathuba amancane emvula singawalindela ikakhulukazi ke engxenye senkabeni uyonke nengxenyeni ke ezingaseningizimu ngale kwaloko singalindela nje umkhemezelo okanye umkhizi ngasenyakatho kanti ke nakusasa uyazi umsingobandayo ngena namakhulu amathuba emvula ikakhulukazi engxenyeni ezilapha ngaseKapa sisho sithi ke sawalindele amathuba amancane emvula enkabeni yazi uyonke nakola seFreestata endaweni ephakeme ikakhulukazi lapha eStern Cape masihamba siyobheka ngokwefundazwe zakithi sisho sithi silindele ukuthi kubande kusene eGauteng nasemini nje ngakubuza ukuthi majazi mangaki kuthi ukubanda kancane koJohannesburg siyongena ikakhulukazi engxenyeni esenyakatho ibe njalo indaba ekhathini zasekuseni kuyabanda lapha ePolokwane emina kufani lifuthumale eMessina nakotho anto uyongena koGiyane kanti ke masamba siyongena ikakhulukazi eMpumalanga kuyabanda endaweni ephakeme eMpumalanga ekseni kanti ke emini lithande nje ukuba phakathi liyongifudumala ngamandla mawungena lapha kuSikukuza sambe siyongena kwaZulu Natal sisho sithi ke kuyabanda mawungena ke ikakhulukazi ekhathini zasekuseni lapha komNambiti koBhekville emini akufani lithi ukufudumala olunde emahlabathini kwaNongoma siyongena komhlaba yalinga lingafudumala emini kanti eStern Cape injalo indaba kuyabanda ngempela ikakhulukazi ekhathini zasekuseni emini cha nokho kungathanda nje ukubanda engxenyeni ke ephakeme kulesa sifundazwe lingathanda ukuba phakathi sambe siyongena ikakhulukazi eWestern Cape sisho sithi ke kusabanda mawungena ikakhulukazi ke ekhathini zasekuseni engxenyeni ke ezimaphakathi emini ithande nje ukubanda ngokuphakathi kuzo zonke indawo lapha entshonalanga koloni kanti enyakatho koloni ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke kungathanda nje ukuthi ke kubande futhi ke nakhona ekseni kodwa emini akufani lapha kwaphindini yongena koKuruma eShelman kanjalo nakukho imbali ingathanda ukuba phakathi singene kwalese Freestata sisho sithi koBlong Mfateni uyongena eqoqo phutha dishapa ko Fitzburg sisho sithi ke bande kuseni emini kodwa kufanele lithande nje ukuba phakathi sambe siyovala ngesifundazwe salapha eNorthwest mvumele ngisho ngithi ke bande kuseni kodwa mina kufani mawungena ke ikakhulukazi ngiphambi kwenhlavelanga mbukela ngivumele ngithi ke ngethatha indaba enobusuku buhle.
Mbukeli usale kahle.